Assalamu alaikum, Doctor. It's my honor to standing here asking this question. And at the same time, I'm very sad to ask this question. If the Quran is a book of the guidance, and the Islam is a religion of the knowledge and all this, then why we are Muslim as a nation, as a majority, we are standing in the back among the nations? Why, when we compare our nation with the other nations, we see a big hole between us and them?
The brother asked a very good question, very important question, very relevant question. That if Quran has so much of information regarding science, technology, it's a book of knowledge, book of guidance, then why are we Muslims backward? It's a very good question. The reason is, if we look back into the history, from the 8th to the 10th century, we read in the historical books, the Europeans, they called it as the Dark Ages. Dark for whom? Dark for the Europeans. The Arabs, the advancement they made in science and technology was phenomenal. If you had to know about science, if you want to do research of science, you had to learn Arabic. Like how today we learn English. At that time, the Muslims were on top of the world because we were close to Quran and Sunnah. Today, the reason the Muslims are backward is because we are far away from Quran and Sunnah. So Quran is not to blame, you and I are to blame.